All right, this is the audio text for the week 27 assessment and passage 1. A base on the moon is the logical next step in our exploration of space. We already possess the rockets that will take us to the moon. Now we need to begin the process of lengthening our stay on the moon through the creation of a moon base. Creating a base on the moon would, at the very least, be a starting to ensure the survival of our human race. Therefore, it is a justifiable expense. The moon seems a natural candidate to colonize due to its proximity to Earth. We know that we can travel to the moon in transit time, 3 days, is relatively short. The moon also serves as a hub for us to explore other planets such as Mars. It would take about 7 months to get from Earth to Mars. If we have a base on the moon, our ability to finally set on Mars drastically improves. Then, ultimately, we will be able to colonize Mars, ensuring a presence on another planet and thus ensuring the survival of humanity. The first manned moon landing in 1969 united a nation and is recognized as one of man's greatest accomplishments. Just as that act served the country in ways beyond the actual mission by creating hope and a renewed sense of patriotism, the notion of planning and executing a moon base will unite humanity. Exploration and colonization of new land is what man has historically aimed to achieve. It would seem against our very nature not to investigate the possibility of living on the nearby moon. A base on the moon would be an ideal test site for exploring life on other planets. Because of the short travel time between Earth and the moon, emergency situations could be readily addressed. If supplies or evacuation were necessary, these could be accomplished relatively quickly. Additionally, the communication delay between the Earth and the moon is a mere 3 seconds. This type of normal contact would lessen the stress of those inhabiting the moon in case of emergency. There may indeed be challenges to colonizing the moon, but we will not fully know those challenges until we take the first steps in creating a moon base. If our goal is to one day colonize another planet, then it is necessary to evaluate how the human body reacts to low gravity climates such as on the moon. Colonization has always proved challenging on Earth, yet it has been necessary for advancement. As a planet, we need to be desirous of progressing into the future, and the colonization of the moon is the next reasonable step towards that end.